Welcome. Any file or folder you delete on Windows operating system is moved to the recycle bin. As you can see up here, this is the recycle bin. So any folder or file you delete on your Windows operating system, that folder or file goes into the recycle bin until you decide to delete them. But in this video, let's assume that the recycle bin is missing on your desktop. So how do you get it back? So let me show you what you can do. Right click on your desktop and go straight to personalize. Click and that will take you to this settings interface. So what you have to do here is to go click on themes, then scroll down until you see the related settings. Just click on the desktop icon settings, then that will take you to this interface. So what you have to do here, in my own case, I can say it, okay? So I will just uncheck it, then okay. So if we go back, you can't see it any longer. So this is the problem you might be experiencing. So what you have to do is to right click on your desktop and navigate to personalize. Then you have to go for themes and that will take you to this themes interface. Just go straight to desktop icon settings, click on that, then under the desktop icons go check the recycle bin and then go for OK or apply. So let's have a look and see if we can see it. Okay, you can see it appeared. So that is how to add your recycle bin to your desktop. So in my next video, I will teach you more on recycle bin. Thank you for watching and God bless you.